Alright, welcome back. Got another unboxing here, again from Trick or Treat Studios. Today I have the Pinup Girl and Dollface masks from the movie The Strangers. Don't have the man in the mask yet. I actually have it ordered, but it's not here yet. They sent these two first, so I figured, screw it. I'll do these now, and when I get the other one, I'll do that later. But let's check this out. Let's see what we got here. That one. And what do we got? Another Trick or Treat Studios air freshener and another Misfits sticker. So I guess my girlfriend's gonna get 2 Misfit stickers. And then I got a 10% off Fright Rags, which I'm wearing right now. So looks like Strangers Pray at Night, but they're pretty much the same mask in each movie. So that's what you get right there. Like I said, I have the man in the mask ordered, but it's not here yet. It says here they're sculpted by the same guy. But yeah, these things look cool. Just kind of how they are in the movie. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and open these up and give you guys a closer look at them. So yeah, I feel like I look really weird in this mask because I'm a guy, but oh well. So like I said, I have the man in the mask ordered. I don't know when it's supposed to be here, but when it does, I'll make another unboxing for it and put all 3 of them next to one another. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe and all that notification stuff if you like the video, and see you next time.